Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought we would go over colours. I had another lovely comment on one of my previous videos saying that they would like colours to go over with their children, and that means a lot to me. That the fact that you find these videos useful and that you would want to show them to your children, or that you would want to learn from them at all, it means so much to me. I have found a website on my phone with colours, so just so I don't leave anything out. I think if I go over the primary and the usual colours at the moment, but if there's anything that you would like me to do, please let me know, because I can always do another video. That's not a problem. So starting off, we have black, and the Scottish Gaelic for black is du. 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 And after black, we have white, which is gial. 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 And then we have grey, glass. 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 Red, Je-rack. 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 Pink, which is a nice easy one. Pink. 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 Yellow, buie. 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 Orange, which is orange. 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 We have green, uania. 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 Brown, which is down. 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 Light blue, Leah. 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 Blue, Gorum. 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 Purple, which is Purpaidh. Poor-pee. Poor-pee. And that's it. That's all the ones that I have on the list.